Now, do you want to get more subscribers and customers into your affiliate marketing project or your business? If yes, then you want to pay close attention to this video because we're going to talk about copywriting. Now, content creation and copywriting are two different things. When it comes to content creation, it's more like creating content for your blog, right? Writing an articles, creating YouTube tutorials, YouTube videos. But copywriting is more like writing the headlines, writing the sales script for your sales page. For example, the headline, the sub-headline, the call to actions, and the content on your sales page. And this is all copywriting. If you have a good funnel design, you have a good lead magnet, good offer, but you're not seeing a good conversion, then probably you have problems in copywriting. And no problem, this video is going to show you how you can solve your copywriting problems fast and easy. Now, in the past, copywriting used to be very expensive. If you were to hire a copywriter to do the copywriting job for you, it can easily cost you about like 5,000, 10,000 or 20,000 per project. It depends on how big your project is. But nowadays, with the advancement in technology, we have copywriting tools, right? And one of the most well-known copywriting tools in the market today is called Funnel Script. It's created by Russell Brunson and his team. But the thing about this tool, this copywriting tool called Funnel Script, is that the pricing is a little bit high. Last time I checked, it was like $797. So to me, in my opinion, it is still out of reach for many people, especially for those who are just started out in affiliate marketing journey. But today, I'm not going to introduce you Funnel Script. I'm going to introduce you an alternative copywriting tool which I'm using. It's called Builderall. Now, before I go into the Builderall copywriting tool and show you everything and show you how it works, I want to just share with you a little bit about Builderall so you won't get confused. So Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform. So let me show you. Once you log in into the Builderall platform, this is what you're going to see. You'll be arriving at their dashboard and you can see a bunch of different separate digital marketing tools. For example, this cheetah is the one I use to create all my sales funnel, and this one, Mailing Boss, is the one I use to capture subscribers, build my list, and then to send automatic emails to follow up and to close affiliate sales. And what I'm going to show you today is this. It's called Script Generator. It's the copywriting tools that I'm talking about. So let me just click into it, right? Once you click into it, this is what you're going to see. You come to the Script Generator dashboard and they have like three main sections right here. The first one is Avatar, the second one is Generate Script, and the third one is the Webinar or the VSL Generator. So once you click on New Avatar, this is what you can do. They have a bunch of steps on the left side and a bunch of questions on the right side. What you need to do is that you click on the steps and then fill in the questions. Once you're done, go to next, continue to fill in all the questions, and then once you fill up all the questions, you just click save. And once you're done with it, you will have an avatar. Avatar is a profile of the audience that you want to target for your marketing campaigns. For example, this one, my avatar, I've created an audience named Jessica, and then I want to target people who is like Jessica. They have the same problem, they have the same focus and same goal. After we create an avatar, we can start to generate scripts, right? Headlines, sales letters, sales script, so that this script generated will resonate with the avatar we have created, right? It will talk about the pain points they have. It talks about the goals they want to get, they want to achieve, right? Next, let me show you the generate script sections. So once you click into generate script, there are a lot of niches that you can go for. For example, personal development, internet marketing, the health and fitness, the affiliate marketing, right? Software. So I'm into internet marketing, so let's just click this one. Once you're inside here, you can create all kinds of scripts for your avatar. For example, I selected my avatar as Jessica, and I can create all kinds of scripts that will resonate with Jessica. So just to give you a quick glance, once we click onto the funnel script, this is what we're going to see. They have a lot of scripts. Let me show you the long form sales letter script. So once you click into it, right, and then a long form scripts will pop up. How to build an email list and make recurring passive income online without a website. Dear friend, if you want to take a moment to read this entire page, I promise the information here can change your life and there's no exaggeration. Let me explain and go on. Right, you have this sales script, then you can use it on your sales page if you want it. And of course, the language here is not perfect because it is generated by a tool, it's not generated by a human, so there will be grammar problems. So you want to read it, you want to edit it and polish up a little bit to make things sounds natural. Okay, so once you do that, you can click on export script. You can export it in PDF, PPT, or Word, and then you can use it, on your landing page or on your sales page. Okay, now if you want to add more section into this sales script, it is also very easy. So let's say I want to add in scarcity element into this sales script. So what I can do is I can go to add section, I can go to scarcity, and here, bam, there's a lot of sentences I can choose from. For example, if I like the first one, I just click on it and it appears up in my sales script, right? I can adjust the date and time, and then I can elaborate from there, right? The good thing about this generate script thing is that they have a lot of options for you. Not only you can create scripts for your landing pages, you can create headlines scripts, or you can create one-time offer scripts. You can even create like advertising scripts to use for your Facebook ads campaign, your Twitter's ads campaign and things like that, solo ads and all that, right? It is very I would say versatile. It allows you to do a lot of things, and if you want to do cold call, they even have phone scripts right here for you, so you can click into it and then adjust your script from there. If you want to create content for webinar, or you want to create a video sales letter, VSL, to actually sell your products or services, BRoll also have a section for that. It's called webinar or VSL generator. So once you click on this button, you will see it allows you to create webinars content, or it allows you to create a VSL. So for example, let's click on this. Let's create a webinar content. So once you click into the create webinar section, this is what you see. It's exactly the same thing. They have steps on the left side and questions on the right side. So it is very hard for one person to create a webinar content from scratch, right? From a blank page, but it is easy if we create our webinar content by just answering all these questions. So what you need to do is that you just fill in all these questions, go to step 2, continue to fill in all the questions, go to step 3, fill in all the questions, and then bam, at the end of the actions, you can actually export the script as PPT. So once you export it as PPT, you can actually go on and read from the slides, record it, and bam, you have your webinars videos. And the same goes for VSL. It's the same process. They just have different steps and they ask different types of questions. Fill in the questions, right, like how I showed you previously. Then you just need to export the script and export it as PPT. So I have done one VSL and I've exported it as PPT. So let me just show you how it looks like when it is in the PowerPoint form. So this is how it looks like after you export the script as PowerPoint, and this is a VSL script. Okay, so for example, I'm going to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing without being overwhelmed by the technology. All right, but first let me ask you something. Are you tired of dealing with all these overwhelming technology challenges? Don't you wish that there's a better way to maybe make money online? Obviously the sentences is not natural because it is created by the tool, so you want to go through each of these slides to make it more natural and persuasive. But the thing is that the flow of this VSL or the flow of the webinar that you create is already right there. The framework is already right there. So what you need to do is that you only need to go through these slides and you need to adjust from that. You just need to polish it up from that. You do not need to create anything from scratch. With this tool, it makes like creating scripts, webinar contents, VSL so easy and simple to do. And last but not least, if you want to use this script generator, it is already included in the Builderall memberships. So once you sign up for Builderall, you can access different kinds of tools, right? For example, which I've mentioned just now, the Cheetah to build sales funnel. You can have access for email marketing. For example, the Mailing Boss helps you to capture subscribers and to send emails. And then you can also sell your own digital products through the e-learning platform. You can have your e-commerce business. You can have mock-up studios to create your e-covers and things like that. So you can have access to a lot of different tools once you are subscribed to BRoll. Okay, so this is the plan they have in BRoll. They have free plan, Builder plan, Marketer plan, Essential plan, and Premium plan. So there's a lot of difference right here. I just want to simplify it for you. The higher the plan, for example, Premium plan, the more tools you can access, right? For example, Marketer's plan, the one I paid for, you cannot use the Messenger chatbots, but if you go for the premium plan, you can use the Messenger chatbots. Okay, the higher the plan, the more tools you can access. With premium plan, you can access all the tools, and the higher the plan, you can have more subscribers, right? For example, I'm using marketers plan. I can have up to 5,000 subscribers in my email marketing tools. If you want to have unlimited subscribers, you can go for the premium plan. Okay, so that's the main difference between the plans in Builderall, and I would highly recommend you to go with the marketer plan, so you can have up to 5,000 subscribers and you can access most of the tools that you need to start running your affiliate marketing project. So if you want to access the copywriting tools which I've just shown you, and you want to have access to the other tools like the sales funnel builders and the email marketing software, then go for the marketers plan. And if you want to join Builderall, I would appreciate if you join under my affiliate link. I have quite a few bonuses for you, including how to promote Builderall as a business and start making recurring commissions. So make sure you check out the link in the description below. So if you want to solve your copywriting problems, you can look into Builderall. With just $29.90, you can solve your copywriting problem, your sales funnel problems, and your email marketing service problems all in one place. And if you were to buy all of these different tools in different places, for example like sales funnel builders, if you were to use ClickFunnels, it would have cost you $97 per month just for the sales funnel builder itself. And if you want to use the funnel script, you have to pay an extra $797 just for the copywriting tools. But with Builderall, you can access everything you need to start your affiliate marketing project with just $69.90, or a lower plan, the one I opt for, is just $29.90. So this is a no-brainer for me, and if this is what you're looking for, I highly recommend you to go and use Builderall. And if you use my link, remember I put out a lot of bonuses for you, and I put the bonuses in the description area. Make sure you check out the links. So I hope that this video helps you. Once again, remember to like and subscribe to my videos, and last but not least, remember to check out my bonuses in the description area below. So see you in the next video.